today I'm going to give some tips, or let's say how to video for driving. This video will be given for very beginners, so those people who are really professional and you know how to drive, they might find this video maybe a little bit okay, but actually to be honest, this is a video for beginners. So definitely you will be going for a driving school, or you will be following some regulation and rules which is each country will provide, but this is just a video to watch, to have a background about driving. Okay, this is going to be the start. So definitely any cars you're going to have a key. Okay, so we do have two types of keys now. They have this one, which is a remote one, all right, and we have also the one which is a smart key. Okay, or the access by smart way. So for this type of key, as you can see, we have to input and to start the engine like this. All right, the other ones, which is smart key, it will come somehow look like this. Okay, and you don't need to install in anywhere, or to put or in order to start the car, you just need to press a brake and start button, push button. Okay, push button will be there. So anyway, to start the car, as you can see, very simple. We have unlock the car, lock, this is unlock, this is lock, this is the trunk, and this is the panic, which is if you forget your car in the parking, you just double click and your car will just beep beep beep. And I don't recommend this for beginner, definitely. So in order to start the car, just press lock and unlock the car. Very simple. All right, so first step, we need to start the car, but before starting the car, we need to make sure from three things. Okay, first, gear will be on P, and P is referring for parking, right? So when the car stop, when we stop the car, we have to put the car on, engage the gear on P. Okay, second thing is the brake, hand brake. Okay, hand brake has to be full on. So that's the normal position of the hand brake, where when the car is moving, but when the car stops, you need to make sure that hand brake is fully engaged. And last thing is you need to put your feet on the brake. Okay, you need to put your feet on the brake. Okay, so as you can see, P and hand brake is engaged. We need to start the car, and in order to start this vehicle, we will start with the key. As you can see, that's not a push button. The other one, there is a push button where you can press the you press in the brake, and there will be some key here, you press and the car will start. In our case, it's just normal key. Now car already started. Okay, I will do it again. You press the brake and you make the car start. This is going to be an example for the push button. Okay, so as you can see, instead of key, I have no key here. It's just a push button. Okay, so okay, the key is in my pocket currently. You can put it in your pocket here, or even there is a place for the car for the key fob here. Then you need to press the brake and hit it once. That's it, and the car automatically going to start. We do have two pedals. There is no three pedals. This is automatic gear. Okay, we have the brake one, and this is the gas. Okay, there is no clutch. Clutch is only for manual car. The manual car usually have 1/3 pedal will be down here, but for the automatic one, it's pretty simple. You have the brake and you have the gas. Okay, all right. So once we started the car, I want you to make sure from first step is to adjust your seat according or to along to your comfortable. You should really first step when you sit in the car, for me is the more important, is you need to feel relaxed. You should not stress yourself like you are too much in front or you are too much in back, you cannot reach the steering wheel or something. No, first you need to adjust your seats. So in our car, adjustment, usually all the cars seats adjustment will be here, usually will be engaged here. Okay, so in my case, this is the forward, backward, and this is how to tilt the car. Okay, I'll just open the door so we can see we have more clear. Yeah, much clearer. So this is, if you push like this in front, it will it will move the seat forward. If you push like this, it will be forward. This is how to tilt the seat. Okay, so after you know, play a little bit with these buttons and you feel that you're comfortable, then you need to adjust your mirrors. Okay, so please follow this step before adjusting the mirror, because if you adjust the mirror first and you change your sitting position, definitely will be changed. This is one of the most mistake beginners do. Please adjust the seat first, and after that you can adjust the mirror. Okay, adjusting the mirror in most of the car, maybe you have some button here, or it will be in the mirror itself. In this car, particular model, we have adjustment here. Some other cars will be somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here, or else. To adjust the mirror, okay, this is if you press left side mirror, you can only adjust the mirror which is on the left side. If it's in the middle, it will not adjust any mirror. If it's right side, then you need to adjust the mirror on the right side. Okay, so after adjusting the mirror according to your vision, of course you need to feel that you can see the left side. As you can see from my side, you can see the left side, and as well the right side is visible for you. Means of course there will be a blind spot, but what I mean is you can see the car right side, and also the car the things on the left side of the car. Then you need to adjust this mirror, the center one, okay, for the back side seat, okay, for the back vision, or to see back side. Okay, that's basically how to what to do, first steps once you enter the car. So once we adjust the seats, the mirrors, everything, first step, we put our seat belt. Usually seat belt, definitely, I mean, usually seat belt will be in this side. Okay, and you need to hear the click. Okay, make sure to hear the click of the seat belt. All right, now actually I put the car in position where I need to start first my driving with the reverse. Usually everyone will start with the front side, which is very easy, but the most confusing starting, if you start, I need to go reverse. Okay, so this is what I'm going to explain in this video as well. All right, so in order to move the car, as you can see, we started the car, adjusted the seat, everything is clear for us. We need to put the gear on neither drive, neither R, to, you know, it will determine if you want to move backward, you need to put the car on reverse. If you need to move front, you will put the car on D. D is drive. Okay, and please, if you are a newer, please forget about the S. S is written for sport mode, and definitely if you are a beginner, you need to, you know, of course you need to drive safe. In order to drive the car and start driving, we can see here we have P, we have R, we have N, D and S. Okay, so P is, as I mentioned earlier, it stands for parking, and this is the normal position when you stop the car. Now we need to go backward, so we will, you know, engage the gear to R. N is neutral. Okay, and you have D when we need to drive forward, which will be considered the D. And guys, please, if you guys are beginner, forget about this button. Okay, this is a sport mode. We will start driving the car with reverse. Okay, let's do it. Sorry, I have to fix the cam before that, because please make sure that your both hands are engaged with the driving, you know, steering wheel or in the gear. Don't use your phone or mobile or camera by your hand, you know, while you're driving. Please make sure from this. So I will fix the camera and let's start. So we will press the brake and put the gear on reverse. Okay, then we have to hand the brake as well, make it down, and one by one you need to look backward. Of course, now new model of the cars, we do have a camera here, so it's life is much easier nowadays. So we need to look backside, okay, and or even this mirror or that mirror, and to move the car. In case I have back camera here, so I will just look at the camera and slightly move steering wheel slowly, you know. I don't even press a gas, I just when I control by a brake. Okay, one by one, slightly move. Okay, then we need to move the steering wheel. We need to move the steering wheel like this, engage the gear on drive, and move the car. Just remove your feet from the brake, and that's it. You don't need to press a gas in the beginning. Please make sure that your most important pedal in the beginning is a brake. Please make sure that this is very important. To be honest, in most of the case, when people start panicking, they start pressing the gas. No, forget about if you panic. Okay, I'm panic. I press a brake. Okay, I panic. Again, I press a brake. Please don't panic. Relax. Rule number one when you're driving, you need to feel comfortable. You need to relax. You don't need to panic. All right, so let's move. We will slowly release our feet. Of course, we're going to use, okay, right feet only, in automatic, okay? Right feet in automatic. Left feet is not being used in the automatic, driving an automatic car, huh? Please make sure from this, right feet. So we're going to release our feet from the brake, okay? Slowly, and the car will move. All right, so we will go, this is from stop. Again, I will just explain from stop. Again, okay, we will be, car will be engaged in parking. Okay, so press the brake and engage it into D, drive. Once you engage, you need to look to the mirror because we are from stop and we need to take left. So we will put indication on the left. How to make it left? You press it down. Usually this is the indication if you need to take right or left, right? Side for if you want to turn right, if you want to turn left. So press down, okay, and leave please release the brake little and press the gas, and the car will be moving. Okay, automatically the stop indication once you take the left or once you take the right. You go slowly as a beginner. Okay, you don't need to go fast. You need to feel the car. You feel the sensitivity of the car. You see, some object is trying to take a right like this. You always need to see. You always need to have a skills. Driving is all about skills. To see the cars from far, to see the mirrors, to see the left side, right side. It's not just because you're going forward you will not look back side or left side or right side. You need to be 100% aware of what surrounding. So I need again to take a left from here, and there's one car approaching. I give the car the way because that car is going straight. So I will press again down as indication. As you can see, the car will go smoothly and I will go smoothly as well. It's very simple. To go, press the gas. To accelerate, to press the gas. And to slow down, press the brake. That's it. Simple. Driving automatic gear is very simple. So guys, please don't panic. I'm going to explain again. Press gas to accelerate, brake to stop or to slow down. And please make sure to press sensitive. The brake and the gas is a sensitive. So I have another model of the car. I just want to again introduce you guys how to start the car or how to start the engine. Again, this is a key, very simple. Press the brake and start the car. Okay, again, this is very simple. The gearbox will remain the same. As you can see, the handbrake is the same. You have P, you have R, you have neutral, you have drive, and this is the second gear and this is the first gear. So almost the cars are equipped with the same way to start the car, unless if there is a press button is here, will be you need to press the brake and press the press button to start the car. That's it. Very simple, guys. This is another model or another car which is a Japanese car. The first one was an American car.